Good morning from Germany and welcome. Today I want to show you the Al-Hamra project, which is currently in realization in the Middle East. In this project, 22 pumping stations are getting supplied with redo water disinfection. Pumping stations are needed in bigger water networks to elevate the water to a higher level from which it can flow based on gravity, or to keep up the water pressure in a modern pressurized public water supply system. To secure water safety and a stable residual in a big water network with many pumping stations, the water must be disinfected several times on its way, from the waterwork, over the pumping stations, up to the taps from the consumers. With the Al-Hamra project, the state-owned Oman Water and Wastewater Services Company is implementing a project to construct new water distribution networks in the Wilayat of Al-Hamra. The project seeks to include the existing and planned housing schemes in order to keep pace with the large urban expansion and the tourism and economic development in this region. The project covers all villages and residential areas in the Wilayat of Al-Hamra. It aims to provide safe drinking water to all residents of overall 82 townships. Now here and behind me you can see the new water distribution network of the Al-Hamra project. The picture gives an impression from the large size of this water network, with overall 22 pumping stations. As mentioned before, all these 22 pumping stations are getting supplied with redo water disinfection technology. So, let's take a deeper look at the redo plants in this project. The CAD picture behind me shows one of the redo plants for the Al-Hamra project. The plant setup consists mainly of the redo unit, the process water treatment, the brine tank, the salt storage area, and the bigger storage tanks for the produced redo disinfectant. Out of the storage tanks, the redo disinfectant is dosed into the drinking water lines through dosing pumps. The plant works fully automatic, including permanent water quality control for a just-in-time regulation of the dosing. For online monitoring, the redo plant is also connected to the central SCADA control room of the public water supplier in this project. The production process as well as the operation of such a redo plant is easy to understand. With common salt as main consumable, the salt saturator produces a brine. Out of this brine, the redo unit produces the redo drinking water disinfectant based on an advanced electrolysis process. The produced redo disinfectant is stored in storage tanks. Out of these storage tanks, the disinfectant is dosed into the drinking water with the help of dosing pumps. The innovation of redo technology lies in the production of 6 active agents in one single process and in one liquid. By this, redo technology enables a combination of the advantages of the common single oxidant disinfection methods, which are chlorine dioxide, ozone, chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, and oxygen. The result is a superior drinking water disinfection with a high efficacy, fighting also difficult germs like Legionella or Pseudomonas. In addition, redo disinfection eliminates biofilms in water pipe systems, which otherwise lead to a permanent recontamination of drinking water with pathogenic germs. Due to the combination of oxidants in redo, also the residual or so-called depot effect is longer than with traditional chlorine gas. Another important advantage of redo technology lies in the safety of handling and dosing of the disinfectant, especially when compared to highly dangerous chlorine gas. Last but not least, redo treated water does not smell or taste like chlorine. This increases acceptance of piped drinking water in the population. So, coming back to the Al-Hamra project. Here we are now standing in the production center of Redo Oman. All redo plants for projects in the Middle East are getting assembled at this production center. Behind me you can see a series of manufactured redo units, which are ready for installation. Let's also meet the engineers of the Redo Oman team at the end of this presentation. Hello and greetings from Europe to Muscat. Plant design and project planning for all redo projects in the Middle East happens in close team work between the specialists from the redo hubs in Germany, Hungary, Oman and India. Because every water disinfection project needs an interdisciplinary team with experts and qualifications in the area of water chemistry, engineering, microbiology, economics and financing. Redo Water Systems was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in Germany. Redo technology received the Innovation Award of the German government in 2004. Since then and until today, it is deployed in 32 countries worldwide, and this in different application areas, ranging from public water supply, the airline sector, buildings and hospitals, over the agriculture and food industry, to pools and swim arenas. I hope with my presentation today, I could give you an insight on the Al-Hamra project, as well as on redo drinking water disinfection in public water supply. Thank you for your attention.